There are 8 important settings that you should turn on right now, start utilizing on your channel. If you're a small YouTuber here on YouTube and you have been posting for a while and YouTube is not recommending your videos and your videos are getting stuck at maybe 10 views, 20 views or 30 views, then these 8 settings are the settings that you need to turn on right now to start seeing a difference in your YouTube channel. And to turn on these settings, you can either do it with your your mobile phone browser through desktop mode, or you can do it with your PC browser. So on this video, I'm going to be showing you guys on how you can do this on your settings and turn these settings on, so you can start seeing a better a better change and better growth in your YouTube channel, so that the YouTube algorithm can start pushing your videos better, so you can start getting the views and the traffic that you deserve. And please, if you have any question at the end of this video, please drop it in the comment section. I'm going to reply immediately once I see it. And do remember to like, share and subscribe to this channel to stay connected, because I post a lot of tips and tutorials on a daily basis. Alright, let's get right to it. The first settings is keyword optimization, and this has to do with feeding the YouTube algorithm with words that actually describe what your channel is all about, or rather what the videos that you upload is all about, so that the algorithm can understand your videos better, so you can push it out to the right audience, so you can start getting much more views. And you can actually do this through your YouTube dashboard, or rather your YouTube studio. So let me show you guys how to do that real quick. Simply go to your YouTube dashboard, and then once you get there, simply go to settings. Once you get to settings, then go to your channel. Once you get there, you can see basic info. Under basic info, you are going to see keywords. So this place, just simply add words that actually explain what your channel is all about, or rather what your videos is all about, because this is actually going to help your videos to rank better on YouTube and help YouTube to understand your video, so they can push it to the right audience. So as you can see on mine right now, I added tutorial videos, easy tutorial videos, things like YouTube tips, YouTube growth, grow your channel, get more views, get 4,000 watch hour, get more subscribers. So these are things that I mostly post about on my channel, or rather videos that I mostly post about, the topics that I post about on my channel. So when you're about to do your own, also make sure that you feed YouTube with the right words that will explain what your channel is all about and what your videos are all about, so we can know what to do with your video. So make sure that you do this on your YouTube channel. When it comes to YouTube, first impression matters a lot, because a lot of people are going to be coming to your channel for the first time. So if your channel is looking really good and catchy and looking appealing, a lot of people, they are going to be engaging with your content, and before you know it, they will just subscribe to your channel, especially if your channel is looking very, very professional. So that's where channel customization comes in. So when you come to your YouTube dashboard, I will advise that you guys go to your settings, just click on this option and go to your channel. Click on your channel. It's going to load up a little bit. Once it's done loading up, just click on customize channel. Alright, once you get here, the first thing you have to do, or rather look into, is your channel banner. You can see my own channel banner right here. So your channel banner has to look a little bit professional. If you don't know how to edit channel banners, you can do that with your with your Canva. I actually did mine with Canva, because when it comes to creating banner can actually be sometimes a little bit hard to create, because sometimes you might do a banner is looking good on devices like phone devices, but when someone has to look at it with PC, it's going to be looking horrible. So that's why sometimes you need things like Canva to create that. So if you do not know how to create a good looking banner for your channel, then I'll suggest that you watch this video right now to learn on how to do that. I'm going to suggest the video at the end of this video, so you can easily access it and learn on how to create good looking banner that will fit into all devices. Then after you've done that, you've done your banner, then the next thing to do is add a channel profile picture. A profile picture that you can add, you can easily put your own personal picture. That's if you want your personal picture to be there. That's if you have a really good personal picture, you can put your own personal picture. But if you want a picture that will actually represent your channel, like you can see my own now, my own just has my names there, Danny the creator. Then I added DC, and it's looking kind of nice. It actually represents my channel. So if you actually want to do this, you can also do this as well, and you can do this with Canva. So once you watch that video, which I suggest at the end, you can learn a lot of stuff and create your profile picture as well with Canva. The next thing that you want to do is to actually pick your channel name. You can see my channel name right here, Danny the creator. So if you want to pick your channel name, I would suggest that you actually pick a name that is easy to pronounce and a name that is easy to remember, because you don't want to use a name that is very long, that when people are trying to look for your videos some other day, like they want to come and check your channel for something, they won't remember your name because your name is kind of complicated. So make sure that you are using a simple name that is easy to pronounce and easy to remember as your channel name. Then after that, your description, make sure that your description, it actually talks about what you offer in your channel, so that at least when people, because when people are to come to your channel for the first time, they're actually going to see all these things, your banner, your profile picture, and your description. So make sure that your description talks about what you offer in your channel. It's more like you are telling people, okay, this is what I offer, this is why you should subscribe, and that kind of stuff. So make sure that your description, it actually says that and talks about what your channel is all about. Because if you are to read my own right now, everything that I do in my channel is here. YouTube tips, you can see that, and also I'm telling people on how to be successful with their channel. I also offer important tips, life hacks, easy tutorials. So this is all what my channel is all about, and I mentioned it in my description. So make sure that you do this too in your own description. It's very, very important. Another important thing that you should also do is to, like, select your audience. So to do this, simply go to settings. Once you get to settings, just go to go to your channel, and then once you get to your channel, go to advanced settings. Once you get to advanced settings, you are going to see this over here. You can see this question, if your channel is actually made for kids or not made for kids. So if you're actually to put it as yes, it's made for kids, YouTube is actually going to be like recommending your videos to kids, and that is actually going to lower your reach of your videos. Your video won't be able to reach out to a lot of people anymore, just for kids. So if you have to put it for kids, it's going to be reaching out to kids, and we all know that kids, they do not have a high purchasing power. So if your video is like reaching out to kids, you won't be making money with your video. So if your goal is actually to make a lot of money with YouTube, or rather make money online and reach out to a lot of people, then I would suggest that you put it as no, this channel is not made for kids. Just put it in that setting, so that at least when you are posting video, to reach out to a lot of people, and you'll be able to like monetize that video and make money out of that video. Then another thing that you should actually do is to come to general. You can see over here, place it as US dollar. Just place it as US dollar, so that when your channel is monetized and YouTube want to pay you, they will be paying you in US dollar. And that is very important, especially if you're in Nigerian. So you'll be getting your money in dollar, not naira, because we all know that it's going to be beneficial if you are making money in dollar, especially if you're in Nigeria, not naira. So if you're actually putting it in dollar, I would advise that you also have a domiciliary account, so that you'll be able to use it to like receive payments in Nigeria. That way, you just go to the bank, you get your money, and then you do what you have to do. So that is actually very, very important. So make sure that you get a domiciliary account before you actually get monetized. Because me, myself right now, I'm not monetized, but I already have that account ready. So you have to be very, very ready for this whole thing, because you want that money. So that's just it for that. So make sure that you get your own domiciliary account ready and get these whole settings all intact, so that once you get monetized, you can just start getting your dollars. So it's as simple as that. Also, I almost forgot to tell you guys, the only time that you can put your video as made for kids is when you are making videos that is for kids. Like when you are just making this children animation and stuff like that, and all that is related to children, and you know that is only going to be appealing for kids, not for adults, then you can put it as made for kids. So that's the only situation where I think you should put your videos as made for kids in senses. Another thing to always do is to add the subscribe button to the end of all your videos. That's the end screen of all your videos. Make sure you are doing that, because that is going to help people to easily subscribe at the end of your video. So in order to add this subscribe button, you can always do it through the end screen section of when you're uploading. Just go to the end screen section, and then you can add subscribe button to the end of all your videos. This is actually very, very important. So make sure you are doing this on all your videos before uploading it on YouTube. Apart from that, always make sure that you also add subscribe animations, like this one you can see on your screen right now. Always make sure that you are adding it in the beginning, in the middle, and also at the end of all your videos. This is actually very, very good, because this actually serves as a visual reminder to your viewers that they should subscribe to your channel, because when they are watching your videos, they will be seeing it. So without you even saying subscribe to my channel, once they see that, they will just like remember that, oh, let me subscribe to this guy's channel. So that is actually very important. So make sure that you are putting it on all your videos. And if you do not know on how to add subscribe animations like that one that I just showed you guys right now on videos, then I'll suggest that you watch this video right now to learn on how to do that. I'm going to suggest the video at the end of this video, so you can easily access it and watch it to learn on how to create subscribe animations and apply them on all your YouTube videos. Once you start applying everything that I mentioned on this video, you are definitely going to start seeing some change on your YouTube channel. And also, I know that some people, they might say that me, I'm the one that is giving advice, and I'm having about 120 subscribers on my YouTube channel. Yes, I'm having 120 subscribers right now because I'm kind of new. I actually started about 2 months ago, and I recently started implementing all these things on my channel. So right now I'm starting to see a little bit of change on my channel, getting better views and getting better engagement. So I know for a fact that my channel pretty soon is going to do big things on this YouTube platform. So you yourself, you can also apply these things that I'm actually doing on your own channel. So you yourself can also blow up in the nearest future on your channel. So make sure that everything that I mentioned, apply it on your channel so your channel can also do well and grow better. If you like to learn on how to properly upload videos on YouTube to get better views and for YouTube to be recommending your videos after you are done uploading, then I'll suggest that you watch this video right now to learn on how to do that. Because when it comes to uploading, sometimes there are a lot of tricks that you can use when you're uploading that will better the performance of your videos and help the YouTube algorithm to easily understand and push it better. So on that video I actually explained a lot that has to do with like uploading and tricks that has to do with uploading to get a better performance. To make sure that you stick to the end of this video so you can see it, because I'm going to suggest that video at the end of this video so you can easily access it and watch it. Thanks for watching. I really do appreciate you guys for sticking to the end of this video, and please do remember to smash that subscribe button to stay connected, because I post a lot of tips and tutorials on a daily basis. And also at the end of this video you are going to see some of my similar videos, or you might see some of my playlists. But on this video you are going to be seeing a lot of videos that I've been talking about in this video that I said I would recommend or rather suggest. So you are going to be seeing that, and I'm sure you are seeing that on your screen right now. So you can actually watch that to learn more from my channel, because we learn every day. And that's it for that. I'll see you guys on my next video.